So this may not be a super long video, but this might actually be the most important video you ever watch on YouTube, because I'm going to show you how I made over $10,000 in 30 days with Legendary Marketer. And I'm going to review Legendary Marketer, show you exactly how everything works, and I'm going to show you how I made this money, and towards the end, I'm going to show you how you can copy my entire business and possibly do this for yourself. So make sure you watch the entire video so you don't miss out. And if you're excited, make sure to smash that like button. Let's get into the video. All right, welcome to my computer. So before we get into these commissions, how I make them, and what Legendary Marketer is, just know that these results I'm showing you aren't from overnight success and clicking 3 buttons and doing no work, right? These require you to do very hard work over an extended period of time. Nothing happens overnight, and if you're thinking that it does, you can kindly leave this video now, because that's just the wrong mindset going in, right? So I'm not trying to be rude or anything. If you're open to hearing how this works and you're not someone who's just like, oh, this doesn't work for me because of this reason. Like, everyone starts with no knowledge, no experience, right? You have to create that for yourself. And if you put in the hard work, results can come, right? And 99% of the time they do come if you're willing to put in the work and you don't give up. Okay, it's just a matter of time and work. All right, so I just wanted to get that out there to be clear, because I see a lot of people putting these screenshots out there and not giving any context. They're like, yeah, come promote Forsage or whatever this new fad is, and you'll make money by doing nothing. Great idea, right? So that just gets the wrong people. And if you're interested in doing this, yes, you can do it, but you need to have the proper mindset. That's the first thing. Now here, these are my last 30 days, 97.68. So if we go here, you can see that's my net commissions. My total commissions are over 10,000. I had a few refunds, okay, but that's really nothing compared to the amount. So let me refresh it again, hit continue, and then it's refreshed. Let me just go to the last 30 days, run report, same numbers. All right, do the same thing over here just so you know it's real. This isn't fake, all right? Again, this took hard work. But now, Legendary Marketer isn't just a money thing where you can make money. Yes, that's part of it, but a lot of people, they try and promote these products where they just say it's about making money. It's not about that. So if you click the first link in my description and you enter your email and you go through the funnel and you click purchase, you'll get access to the challenge, right? It's $7 and it's a 15-day challenge, all right? This alone, this challenge is more valuable than a lot of these courses out there that you pay thousands of dollars for. So just know that. A lot of people are asking me, is this legit? Is this that? And I get so many emails, so many messages. So I'm just trying to make this video to clear up the air, right? A lot of people see these income screenshots or whatever it is from other people, and they just think it's not real, or they think they don't have to do work. So that's why I'm like trying to reiterate that so much, because it's very important. And this 15-day challenge, it teaches you so much. And like I said, I'll show you how you can get my whole business, the funnel, everything. So just keep watching. But this challenge, it really teaches you like the basics, right? Things you have to know, especially when you're brand new. And then how it works is right away, you get access to bonuses and you get access to a business plan advisor. So it's a business advisor and they get on the phone with you, and this is all free through Legendary, all right? They get on the phone with you and they help you kind of navigate through the challenge. And if you want to get their advanced training, you can get their advanced training. All right. So what I'm doing is I'm promoting Legendary as an affiliate marketer. So if you're brand new and you've never heard of that before, it just means I refer people to this company, which trains people. And in return, if someone purchases through my referral link, I get a commission. And I don't just get a commission through the $7 challenge. I get a commission through any product that person purchases. All right. So that's where the value really comes in. When you find a company that not only has ethics and morals, but they also have really valuable products, and then you combine it with a really valuable affiliate program where you can make money by referring people to it, that's like the best you can get, right? And this company, Legendary Marketer, I really resonated with the founder. All right, his name's Dave Sharp. He runs this whole challenge. And his story was similar to mine with drug abuse, drug addiction, all that stuff. And I really resonated with him and his morals, his ethics. And I think that's important and something that you don't find a lot in the make money online industry. And I think it's just important to actually find someone who has those same values and morals, right? Because there's a lot of people out there who are just in it to scam people and make money, and you really want to watch out for that. And I understand why I get so many of these emails and messages about people being skeptical and all that. I was skeptical too when I started. But you truly just have to put that aside and just really focus and wonder, what if, right? What if it was possible? Because I just quit my job because of this. $60,000 a year job because of Legendary Marketer, all right? So I just want that to be clear that this program changed my life, all right? And after you go through the 15-day challenge, whether you invest in their training or not, you'll have an opportunity to apply as an affiliate. You can purchase the Blueprint bundle one last time. It's a special offer they give you. And then they say if you love the company and you'd like to refer others, you can apply. Now, I will say they don't accept everyone. And if you invest in their advanced training where they teach you how to become an affiliate, not just for Legendary, but they teach you how to promote affiliate products, then they know that you're not going to be out there spamming your link or doing these scammy things that a lot of people do, and they end up getting kicked out of the program. Or they don't get approved in the first place because people see this, right? So they just want the best of the best, people who are serious about this. So just know that. Nothing is required except for the $7 to get into the challenge. A lot of people ask me that as well. There are upsells, just like any business, and they're not required, okay? So just know that. Don't spend any money you can't afford to spend, right? But I mean, think of it like this. If you're going to go to college or even a school like where you get a skill, like I went to school for welding. I hated it, right? But you pay a set amount of money to learn this skill, right? And people are paying, what, $40,000, $50,000 for a college degree, like a regular degree, not like a skill. And you don't even get like a skill, right? You learn how to do something, but a lot of the time, like I worked at a casino, I had people who went to school for 4, 6 years, whatever. They didn't even use their degree, right? They're dealing cards just like I was. It's like you waste all that time and money to not even learn a real skill that will help you in anything, right? Like psychology or whatever it is, right? I had a buddy who did psychology and it just wasn't for him. It's nice to have that degree, but a lot of businesses these days, they don't care about that. They care about skills, okay? And marketing skills are one of the highest paying skills in the world, and you can learn it for very inexpensive with this program. So just kind of, if you compare it to like school or anything like that, it's a steal of a deal, right? So I see a lot of people complaining about money or not knowing how to do something. It's like sometimes you got to pay money to learn how to do something. That's how it is with school, right? So I don't see the difference. So I hope that makes sense, right? And if you have any questions about that or anything about this program, let me know. But I will say, I think it's day 3. So we go to day 3. Yeah, so this is where you can get your 14-day free trial of ClickFunnels, all right? So if you get your free trial through ClickFunnels on Legendary, it's a funnel building software. It's what I use right here, and that's what I do for my Legendary Marketer funnel. Like if you click the first link in the description, this is how you can get people through your funnel. And you're probably wondering why in the thumbnail, I should have mentioned this earlier, but I have a YouTube logo. So why do I have the YouTube logo, right? It's because all of these sales come through YouTube, right? That's the secret behind Legendary Marketer. All the top affiliates, the people that are referring people, it comes through YouTube on autopilot through a funnel with ClickFunnels, all right? So again, ClickFunnels cost money. These are like the tools you need, right? You gotta have the skills, you gotta have the tools. The nice thing about Legendary Marketer is they do give you funnels. They give you funnels, they give you emails, everything, right? But I also do. I give you the exact funnels and the exact emails that I've used to get over $10,000 in the last 30 days, all right? So if you sign up for ClickFunnels with my link, Whether it be you reach out to me to get ClickFunnels or you do it through Legendary Marketer, either way I get credit for it because Legendary Marketer works like that. If you're a pro affiliate, you can actually make money from people signing up to ClickFunnels through Legendary Marketer. Super powerful, right? So like I was saying, if you get it through here or you reach out to me and get my link to ClickFunnels, either way, if you sign up for a 14-day free trial, I'll send you a bonus page. All right, here, I'll show you the bonus page quick. So right here, this is the ClickFunnels bonus page. All right, so I have a video here explaining everything, right? And then you can either get a free trial to either of the email platforms if you don't have one or you need one. Again, this is just tools you need. I guess you really don't need them, but they're helpful. And if you want to build a real business, it's nice to have. All right, so I give you my funnel for Legendary Marketer, my emails for Legendary Marketer, and I even give you my lead magnet funnel and my lead magnet emails. Honestly, these days, I don't really promote my lead magnet much anymore. Lead magnets are like something you give away for free, like an ebook, a guide, a PDF, any of those things. Personally, I just focus on promoting Legendary Marketer because it's converting the best for me. But this is what I do now. Like, it's 100% what I do. And I even give you a ClickFunnels course, all just for signing up for a 14-day free trial. All right. So that's really how my business works. And that's the bonuses you get. If you want to copy my business, just get a free trial of ClickFunnels and take action. It's that simple. And it all starts by clicking the first link in the description and going through the page, entering your email, watching that short video, and purchasing the $7 product. I mean, it's the price of what? A Starbucks iced coffee? It's nothing. Okay, so that's pretty much all I got. I guess there's one last thing. If you want to join my personal beta program where I teach you how to make high ticket commissions on YouTube with Legendary, go to highticketyt.com and you can apply to see if we'd be a good fit. But besides that, you can just click the first link in the description, sign up for Legendary, and I'll see you on the inside.